Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to keep OBS Studio always on top of other windows. This is incredibly useful when you're streaming or recording and need to monitor your OBS interface while working with other applications. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to launch your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once the application opens and you can see your main OBS dashboard with all your scenes and sources, you're ready to proceed with enabling this feature. Now, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the OBS window. You'll see a menu bar there with several options. Click on the option labeled View. This will open a drop-down menu that contains various display and interface settings for OBS Studio. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Always on Top and click on it. This is the feature that will ensure OBS remains visible above all your other open windows and applications, making it much easier to keep an eye on your stream status, audio levels, and sources without having to constantly switch between windows. After clicking Always on Top, you'll notice a checkmark appears next to this option in the menu. This checkmark is your visual confirmation that the feature has been successfully enabled. Your OBS window will now stay on top of all other applications, even when you click on different windows or programs. This makes it perfect for monitoring your recording or stream while you're gaming, presenting, or working with other software. Now, if at any point you want to disable this feature and allow other windows to overlap OBS again, the process is just as simple. Just head back to the upper left corner of the OBS window and click on View once more. Then, click on Always on Top again to toggle it off. The check mark will disappear, indicating that the feature has been disabled, and OBS will now behave like a normal window that can be covered by other applications. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to keep OBS Studio always on top, giving you better control over your streaming and recording workflow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.